to another episode of We love to talk about exciting subjects in science, medicine, robotics, astronomy, futuristic ideas, music, or anything interesting in the news. So let's get into it. Did you know in the news, possible cure for retinal degeneration, restored blindness for visually impaired adults who suffer from retinal degeneration could possibly recover sight. The University of California in Irvine, 10/6/22, published an article in Biology stating that a team of researchers performed a synthetic retinoid treatment that was administered to both sexes of adult mice with LCA. Now, this procedure enhanced their responses, right, for the ipsilateral eye, restoring normal balance to the eye. They administered chemical compounds that target the retina called synthetic retinoids, and it could restore a notable amount of vision in children with LCA. Now, this is an effective treatment for childhood diseases involving the retinal dysfunction, which remains one of the major unmet needs in medicine. Now, this article also states that although some progress has been made, it still remains unclear to the extent of which adult visual circuits can be restored to a fully functional state at the level of the visual cortex upon correction of the retina defect. Sunil P. Gandhi stated that whenever you have a discovery that breaks your expectations about the possibility for the brain to adopt and rewire, it teaches you a broader concept. Gandhi also stated this new paradigm could aid in the development of retinoid therapies to more complete rescue the central visual pathway of adults with this condition. Now, I want to also state that animal procedures were approved by the Institution No Animal Care and Use Committee of the VA Long Beach Healthcare Systems and the University of California, Irvine. Now, let me know if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe, and give me your comments on what you think.